Your backyard is whispering a secret. It dreams of being a luxury retreat, not just a forgotten patch of grass. Welcome back to Luxury Home Decor, where ordinary outdoor spaces come alive and become extraordinary. Today I am revealing 12 jaw-dropping patio hardscape ideas that will have your neighbors peeking over the fence in wonder. Ready to fall completely in the love with your outdoor again? Stay tuned.
Natural stone flooring. The crown jewel of patio flooring is natural stone. Flagstone, slate, and travertine bring an organic, earthy elegance that manufactured materials just can't replicate. Every single piece tells its own story through unique veining and color variations. What makes stone truly special? It ages beautifully, resists harsh weather, and pairs effortlessly with any landscape style. Whether you're going rustic or refined, natural stone gives your patio the kind of foundation shelter magazines are built on. Concrete patio designs. Don't overlook concrete, it's had a serious glow up. Gone are the days of dull grey slabs. Modern concrete comes stamped, stained, polished, or textured to mimic pricey materials like stone, wood, or marble. Homeowners love it because it delivers custom looks without breaking the bank. Plus, it's incredibly tough and low maintenance. Curves, geometric shapes, custom borders. Concrete handles all of it, which makes it one of the most flexible hardscape choices available today. Brick patio layouts. Brick. There's a reason it never goes out of style. Something about brick patios feels warm, welcoming, and rich in character. The real fun begins with layout choices. Herringbone reads sophisticated, basket weave feels cozy and traditional, while circular patterns create dramatic focal points. Brick develops a weathered patina over time, meaning your patio actually gets prettier with age. It's a smart investment in old world weight. Pavers and tiles. This is where creativity really takes center stage. Pavers and porcelain tiles hand you a blank canvas to design something truly personal. Play with color contrasts, mix shapes, or create geometric compositions that reflect your style perfectly. Large format tiles feel streamlined and contemporary, while interlocking pavers offer strength plus easy replacement if damaged. The possibilities are genuinely endless. Fire features. The crackle. The glow. The way conversation slows the moment flames catch. Picture a fire pit surrounded by comfortable lounge seating, or a low-profile linear fireplace anchoring your patio wall. Fire brings people together like nothing else. It extends your outdoor season into chilly months and creates those evening moments you'll cherish forever. Water features. Ready to add some tranquility? Water features are pure patio poetry. Imagine the gentle splash of a wall fountain, the peaceful trickle of a stone urn, or the drama of a cascading waterfall. Beyond looking beautiful, water masks unwanted noise from neighbors or traffic in a heartbeat. It attracts birds, encourages relaxation, and delivers the kind of resort quiet luxury usually reserved for spa weekends. Combined with subtle lighting, water features turn absolutely mesmerizing after sunset. Outdoor kitchens and bars. Calling all entertainers, this one's for you. An outdoor kitchen or bar completely changes how you use your patio. We're talking built-in grills, pizza ovens, wine fridges, and hand-veined stone countertops with bar seating. Add pendant lighting overhead and you've basically created your own private restaurant. Family barbecues become epic gatherings, and hosting friends turns effortless. It's the feature that pays you back in memories, laughter, and the kind of nights people bring up months later. Retaining walls and garden borders. Structure matters, and this is where retaining walls truly shine. Beyond their practical job of holding back soil, they sculpt your landscape into something architectural. Dry-stacked limestone creates rustic charm, while board-formed concrete offers a modern edge. Garden borders neatly separate patio zones from planting beds, giving everything that crisp, intentional feel that lifts the entire outdoor experience. Pergolas and shade structures. Ever notice how a bare patio feels exposed? Pergolas fix that overhead. These architectural beauties provide dappled shade while adding vertical interest above your head. Drape climbing roses, string cafe lights, or hang breezy curtains for extra romance. Whether wooden, iron, or minimalist aluminum, a pergola defines your patio as a proper outdoor room. Built-in seating and benches. Built-in seating is the trick pros keep quiet about. Instead of cluttering your patio with bulky furniture, integrated benches and wraparound sofas keep everything clean-lined and cohesive. Use matching stone, wood, or concrete to blend seamlessly with your hardscape. Toss on plush cushions and colorful pillows for instant comfort. You'll gain more usable space, cleaner sightlines, and a custom look that reads high-end. Bonus: these integrated benches often double as clever hidden storage. Pathways and walkway connections. Every great patio needs beautiful connections. Pathways aren't just functional, they're storytelling elements guiding guests through your outdoor journey. Stepping stones nestled in grass feel whimsical, while paver walkways deliver polished formality. Curved paths invite exploration. Straight ones command attention. Line them with fragrant lavender or subtle solar lights for that firefly-lit evening walk. Done right, they protect your lawn, improve flow between spaces, and add the final layer of cohesive, considered polish. Lighting and ambient features. Save the best for last. Lighting is where the transformation happens. After sunset, thoughtful lighting turns your patio into an after-dark room. Layer warm string lights overhead, uplight your favorite trees, and add path lighting for safety plus drama. Smart LED systems let you shift moods with a tap. Suddenly, your backyard becomes the go-to nighttime escape everyone envies. Conclusion: that secret your backyard was whispering at the start of this video. Now you know what it was asking for. Which of the 12 caught your eye? Stone, fire, water, or lighting? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more ideas like these, subscribe to Luxury Home Decor.